Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to close your forward edge sunroof. First, locate the control panel on your overhead console. You'll find a button specifically designed for closing the sunroof. Simply press and hold this button firmly. Keep it pressed until the sunroof completely closes and seals. Always check for any objects that might obstruct its movement to prevent damage. This simple action should secure your sunroof effectively. If your automatic controls aren't working, you might need to close the sunroof manually. First, carefully remove the small cover on your overhead console to expose the sunroof motor. You'll see a small port designed for an Allen wrench. Insert the appropriate size Allen wrench into this port. Then, slowly turn the wrench clockwise. Continue turning until the sunroof is completely closed and sealed. This method provides a reliable backup. Sometimes, a sunroof might not close due to minor issues. First, check your vehicle's fuse box for a blown sunroof fuse. Replacing it can often solve the problem. Next, inspect the sunroof tracks for any debris, like leaves or small stones, and ensure they are properly lubricated. If these steps don't work, try a system reset by disconnecting your car battery for about 15 minutes. Reconnect it, and then attempt to close the sunroof again. To keep your forward edge sunroof operating smoothly, regular maintenance is key. Make sure to clean the sunroof tracks frequently with a damp cloth to remove any accumulated dirt or dust. Every 6 months, apply a high-quality silicone grease to the tracks. This ensures smooth operation and prevents wear. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check out the description below for a link to * the simple path to wealth * and other great deals. Keeping your sunroof well-maintained extends its life and functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.